So welcome back to the preliminary pre-flight procedure. This is normally done by PF, but can be delegated for PM. First things first then, start with the IRSs, switch to off and nav. On DC lights will come on initially and then into align mode. Voice recorder, it's not on here, but voice recorder out on the right hand side. And then back to the oxygen pressure test, looking for around 700 for 3 crew and 500 psi for 2 crew. Next check, oil quantity check, minimum of 60% plus 3% for every hour of flight. Different display to ours, we don't have this, but of the hydraulic quantity, we're looking for no RF writing, refill, which comes up less than 76%. Next, the pressure drop test for the oxygen, normally done on the observer's panel here whilst you're stood up to make life easier. Can be done on any of the 3 oxygen panels. Down for 5 seconds, then back up to check that you haven't had a pressure drop of 100 psi or more, in case the valve's been left closed on the tank. Next we do the FDAS test, the flight deck access system test. Then checking fire extinguisher, crash axe, life jacket, torch, escape rope. So after we've checked the escape rope, that just brings us across here, across the top panel once again, and we're making sure there's no lights that shouldn't be illuminated. These are flashing because I haven't put a position into the CDU for the RSs. No PSEU light, no reversal lights, no engine control lights, and the EECs are both switched on. Passenger oxygen guarded, lights off, and the 3 main gear lights are green. Flight recorder closed and guarded, no off light, and the Mach airspeed warning tests. Then individually the stall warning tests. Next, the P6 panel behind the first officer seat, checking no circuit breakers have been popped, and if there are any that have been deliberately popped as part of the MEL, that they're collared. A view here, but just down behind the centre pedestal, the manual gear door, to make sure that the gear door is closed. And that concludes the preliminary pre-flight procedure. Once you've completed that, you can get yourself comfortable in your seat and start the CDU/EFB pre-flight procedure. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video.